Okay, now part 2, how to sharpen it. The backs of these chisels were previously flattened, so it's not too much of a hassle. Just basically check your polishing right up to the edge, which I am. So I've got to re-flatten the back of this chisel, so that's going to take about another 20 seconds or 30 seconds or so. Done, re-flattened. $1,500 grit. Those papers, I think, I've got no idea. I think it's 300, 400, 800, 1,500. This is 2,000 grit. You can hear that chisel just rubbing on the bench. There you go. Done. There you go. Polished nicely up to the edge. I can see some reflection. There you go. Done. Finito. It's the back flattened. Sorry. I'll just edit that bit out. Now, back's flattened. Here's the chisel now sharpened. Hold it flat in the bevel. Pick it up a bit, lock your hand in place, sharpen. I'm not going to do any more to that, it's already got the bevel on it. 1, 2. Why bother doing things when you don't need to? It's got a nice, very faint but all the way across bevel on it. And final thing you might have seen me stropping there, needs a little bit more strop. Taking here, just not all the way across. Done. One sharp chisel. That's all that's needed in freehand sharpening.